Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of USDJPY. Now USDJPY have broken this level. What is the importance of this level? Now this is the low of the market and this is the high of the market. And this level, this resistance is broken. What is its importance? Let us see from coming downward the complete setup. This was the high, this was the low, this was the lower high, this was the lower low, this was again lower high, this was lower low, this was lower high, again lower low, this was lower high, again lower low. But now this lower high is broken. Now this is high of the market. Actually, I have in my other videos, in Euro JPY videos, Australian dollar JPY videos, if you will watch, in which I have told that when the on the policy day, Bank of Japan has announced and tweaked their monetary policy, and yen has appreciated against all the pairs. But the potentially in that policy, they were in January increasing their purchase program. That was the reason it was high probability that the JPY will fall, will depreciate. But I wanted to confirm this from the price section also. Before this, I watched some of the JPY pairs, but this is quite clear breakout of this. So this is, I think, high probability this can come to this level also. So if you want to put a long position, it's all up to you. This is my analysis. Okay. Now, if a long position, if one could wait up to this level, but stop loss be put under this level, because if once this low is broken, still there is high probability that this will not be broken. Though this is a market unpredictable things. First of all, the pair was coming down. That setup has been changed, and now I have explained before you. Let us see the setup, the market structure. That is, this is the market structure where from it has been rejected. This was the previous resistance, then it was broken to the upward, then it came down and broke it again and kept going upward. Now from this level it has been rejected and has broken the resistance, or it has broken the previous high. Now this is new high, this is high, and this is low. So it is high time for long position. And if anyone want to wait up to this level, it is also possible that it could retest this level. But the stop loss in all conditions be under this level. So if we put here the long position, let me set it now here. This is the long position, stop loss under this. And for take profit options, let us see for take profit options. This is the first TP, here is the second TP, third TP, fourth TP, so on and so forth, until the price section setup is reversed. This pair will keep going up. Another policy, another the thing that the Bank of Japan has tweaked this policy. First of uh, they had the target of interest rate from minus 0.25 to plus 0.25, but now they have changed it. They have potentially created a policy that has uh, the ability, that has the capability to make to depreciate the yen, because first it was minus 0.25 level, but now they have increased at 0.5, minus 0.5. So potentially they have fluctuated it. It can go uh, it can depreciate or appreciate, fluctuate it. But for on the last week they started their emergency asset purchases, so it is quite clear from their policy. And we have seen from our this setup, this price section, that this pair is going upward now. This is stop loss below this, and TP, there are multiple TPs. Subscribe my channel, like by this video, and share with others. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye.